Hi everyone, myself Dr. Kiran Casey. I am a dermatologist working in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. Today topic of discussion is what is a hair follicle? Okay, hair follicle is nothing but a appendageal structure which is present in the skin. From this structure, hair follicle, hair appears or hair develops or a hair grows out of it. Okay, so it's almost compare. It's if you're seeing our hairs are tree, okay, or a plant, okay, then hair follicle is its root, okay, it just present in the skin, okay. So the number of hair follicle, okay, it's fixed, okay. You're born, it's like at birth how many hair follicle is there, that's all, okay. It's not, you can't add new hair follicles, okay. It's fixed, okay. That's the final one what you have. If someone is saying I'll grow new hair follicle, they are telling a lie, okay. You can't grow any new hair follicle, okay. First thing is this. Next, from this hair follicle, from a single hair follicle, usually there are 2 to 5 hairs coming out, okay. On average 3 hairs, yeah. Some people have 2 hairs from each hair follicle, some have 5 hairs, okay. So as you age, okay, the number of hairs coming out from each follicle decreases, okay. If you have 3 hairs initially, it will become 2, then it will become 1, and finally what will happen is the single hair also, the thickness starts reducing, it becomes thinner, and finally the hairs become colorless and it's lost. Once the hair follicle is dead, okay, you can't revive it, no treatment can revive it, okay. Some communities have more number of hair follicles, okay, at birth itself, so they have a good amount of density, okay. And in some communities also, okay, some communities, particularly tribals and all, number of hair grown from each follicle is on a higher side, okay, 4 5, okay. So they also have good density, okay. It's not because they are using any oil and all, okay. uh, so I think people would have understood what I meant by that, okay. So this is the basic, okay. So in both male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss, and female pattern hair loss, which are age related, androgenic alopecia, okay, which are age related, in this, okay, first what will happen is the number of hairs coming out of the hair follicle reduces, okay. From 3 it can come back to 2, okay, then 1, okay. And in a later stage the hair also thins out, okay, and also finally it become colorless, and finally the hair follicle is dead, okay. This how it happens. Only the how it is, the pattern is different in the males and females. In males it is from the frontal back side, you start developing hair fall from the frontal aspect, and it's slowly residing here, and sometimes frontal and vertex also you develop. All these topics, what is a male pattern androgenic alopecia, what is a female pattern hair loss, what are the other factors which are actually happening other than the age related one, these in the future videos I am going to cover it, okay. For this video, this is the basic I want everyone to know, okay. So because they are not, it's like this social media influencer will do this hair follicle, suddenly when there is a completely bald patch, they say that their hair comes out, and they some photos are being shown, I seen something. It's not possible to happen, because once it's dead, once your completely bald area is there, only hair transplantation can give you hairs there, okay. None of the other treatment, PRP, GFCs, or even topical, any of the topical applications can't give you any improvement, because none of the things, okay, can develop a hair follicle, yeah, create a hair follicle, okay, which is create a hair follicle or revive a hair follicle which is dead. Okay, so these are hair transplantation. Also, in the future videos I'll discuss in detail what is hair transplantation, what happens in that. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, wait for the next videos.